Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing out there today in YouTube world? I am Unique Designs by Latonya, and today's tutorial is going to be part one of my Christmas decor for my dining room. Yes, that's what I said. I'm kind of late this year. You guys know I usually put my Christmas tree up after the Halloween or either before Halloween. I like to decorate for Halloween too. But today we're gonna look at a small video of what I have already started doing. The color scheme is more white because I wanted to do more white, but I do have silver in the mixture with it and crystal. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up for it and make sure you comment at the bottom. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on. Now, let's get to the part that I really want to talk about for all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. And as you see, I do if you watched any of my other videos, I do like to do a lot of things. I do crafting, I do decor, I do rearranging, I do a lot on my channel. For all my subscribers that have been rocking with me from day one, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But let's do one more other thing. Please comment at the bottom so we can chat. I like to chat with you guys. Let me know how you feel about this video, how you feel about the decor, what can I do different. I like your input too. You know, some people might have something that can tell me a little bit of how to tweak things in my living room or my dining room, but today is about the dining room. I thank you for watching. If I don't get a chance to say that, I thank you for watching. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. That helps my channel. That really does. Um, I'm hopefully I can do Christmas. Well, they call it Vlogmas. I hope I can do that. I'm gonna try to do at least. I'm not gonna be able to do it every day. I'm not gonna even try to commit to every day. But I am gonna do some more videos. I'm gonna try to do some things in my living room, my bedroom, and the bathroom. I'm gonna try. Because I be so busy with this small business that I have going on with this decor. So just bear with me. But until then, I'm going to turn this video over so you guys can see exactly what I have started to do. A lot of the decor I'm changing. I did change out the curtains. I did change the table, everything. So just let me know what you feel about it at the end of this video. I will see you in a little while.